Their unique biology continues to intrigue scientists, inspiring ongoing research into the mechanisms behind their extraordinary which may one day inform our approaches to conservation, biotechnology, and even space exploration, as we strive to understand the limits of life and the potential for survival in the most extreme conditions. Habitat fragmentation is a significant issue affecting ecosystems worldwide, and it plays a crucial role in how species adapt to extreme environments. When habitats become fragmented, they are often divided into smaller,